keeper is here.
My Q! I'm scared. Wait, what do I do? What do I do?
Grab him.
Does he bite?
Tell him to step up.
Step up? He talk?
When he want to. Say hello. Hello.
Hello? Huh? Hello? Hello? Hey, how you doing? This is the Cobb Mafia. Huh? What? I don't know. He's ain't shit. You feel what I'm saying? Hi. You feel what I'm saying? This is my first time ever seeing like a parrot talk.
Yeah, he talk a lot. Shut up.
He don't? So he look like a friend of mine. Not a friend of mine, but he looks like a friend of mine's. Jeffrey. He looks like Jeffrey, okay? Huh? He looks like Jeffrey. Let me try to
Give Kai some top birdie.
What the f? You're weird. Yo, so, huh? So listen to me, Jeffrey. You know, Bruce, he don't really care about you. You feel what I'm saying? Bruce don't give a f about you, man. Like, he really, like, don't care about you, man. I'm glad you went from a video game to IRL. Because, I'm not gonna lie. Let me FaceTime Bruce. Does he fly?
Nah, he don't fly.
He don't fly,
He think
okay.
he human.
Okay, hold on. Let me FaceTime Bruce real quick. Please answer, bro. This is the best time to answer right now. Answer, bro, please. Bro, answer, please, bro.
Yo,
Yo, how you doing, man?
good. How about you?
I'm doing good. I'm just waiting for you to get back.
What are you talking about, bro? Come on, man.
I'm with Jeffrey.
Yo, what the f are you doing, bro?
Yeah, I'm with Jeffrey. Slide for Jeffrey. Say hi.
Alright, I'll see you soon, bro.
Yeah, wait, hold on. He talks. This talks. Yo, Jeffrey, say hi.
Yo, Kaza.
What the f? You're weird for that. You actually,
Kaza.
you're weird. Yo, bro. Bruce is a okay? You close the doors real quick. Yo, bro. Yo, this is amazing, bro. Say Fredo. Fredo? Smoking on Fredo? Oh, now he don't want to talk. Is it a girl or boy?
It's a boy.
Oh, shit. So what's the craziest thing that it's done?
All he do is talk. That's all he do.
Has he ever bitten somebody?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, no.
When he get around girls, she that one friend who like to show out in front of girls. When
Word?
he get around a girl bird, he a whole different bird. He hate everybody.
Wow, that's crazy. Nah, so he's like a Kevin Hart type.
Yeah.
He like the dirty Mac and that's crazy. Couldn't be me, bro. Couldn't be me. No cap. Yo, he's scaring me right now. So, are you able to make him talk on command?
They like birds got the mindset of a toddler, so they talk when they want to talk.
They got the what?
Mindset of a toddler. They got the brain of a toddler.
Oh.
So you can't really make them do it. They do it when they want to do it.
Okay. The bird is muted? Oh, want me to unmute y'all? I bet. Unmute. Hi. You got a parrot. Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Yo, chat. This nigga's fire. This nigga fire. Party want a cracker? What you say?
This is a video of him. When you see yourself, he talk. That's you.
Hi. Yo, close my door. Yo, come in. When you come in here, close my door. What is that?
No, they don't like each other. Is that the one that don't like him?
Yeah, they don't. Nah, he don't like other birds. The white one don't like other birds.
What is that?
I was just one.
That's a cockatoo.
Hi. Hello?
Music,
Hello?
Pablo might dance.
Hello?
He was just dancing up on Phantom Stream. He was
Hey,
just
what, this
dancing.
one? So this one dances?
Nah, yeah, this one dances.
This one dances.
Alright, let me see.
Yeah, play some music though.
Okay, let me play some music. Here, hold this one real quick. For a quick second. Let me see if he dances. Hold on.
Crazy.
Yo, I'm about to get sturdy with a fucking parrot. Holy fuck. It's Rio. Alright, let's see. W or L song. Turn me up. Boom. How the fuck you love my bitch? You said 5, I'm nigga 6. Pull up with hands and sticks. Figure my brother, I'm taking out bricks like can't get nowhere with the knocker. You play me fucking your blocker. Who funny? 2 shots to your chest out. I be quiet, bring it to the doctor. Big boy, you shot. Get the gun, you put it on I'm my agent, we gon' get that boy a hand. You a bitch, let's be real, you a stuck on shit. But you got fake that shit. I feel like he trying to say my shit trash.
How you make him dance again?
You just gotta like, you just gotta be feeling the vibe.
Hold on. This nigga, but I guess if D Block Duke was here, you gonna dance for that nigga, right? Shit crazy, bro. Shit so fucked up, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Like, bro. I don't know, bro. Hopefully I catch him next time, bro. Does he want the rest of these Cheerios? Pablo.
It's your carpet.
Huh?
It's your carpet. Take it back to Chris.
Yeah, you can take him back to Chris.
Let him get it out your hand. Like, give it to him with your fingers up.
My fingers?
Yeah.
He not gonna bite me?
Nah.
Can y'all see or no? So that he can kind of trust me, huh? Bro, come on, you don't want to dance, bro.
That's fucked up, bro. You use him for his food.
Huh?
That's fucked up. He using for your food.
Yo, this nigga using me,
That
chat.
nigga look up every time you finish it. There's one more, bro. Right here. Come on.
This nigga using me, bro.
You don't need one no more. You just breaking it up in pieces.
It's over.
Come on.
Nah, I'm not playing Yeet, bro. Pablo, maybe next time you can dance. Alright? Oh, he shit it?
Yeah.
Yo, this nigga shit it on my carpet! The disrespect! It's right there. It's right there. Checking that cabinet over there. Yo, the disrespect is crazy. Nah, Pablo, I don't like that, Pablo. No, I'm gonna let you slide though. I'm gonna let you slide. If he had shitted on me, that would've been crazy though. I'm gonna let him slide, chat. He moving funny, yo, bro. He's moving funny, like.